With digital transformation rapidly accelerating the pace of industrial innovation, today's manufacturing businesses are increasingly searching for the right mix of technologies, processes, and talent to differentiate their brand. At PTC, we create digital technology with purpose to give your business a competitive advantage across its entire value chain, from engineering to manufacturing, all the way through to aftermarket service. Our portfolio of digital solutions works together to improve your physical products and processes while empowering your employees with the tools and information they need to work more efficiently. It all starts in the engineering phase, where digital technology speeds innovation and collaboration by modernizing your design and development processes. Our comprehensive solutions enable your dispersed teams to quickly bring new, exciting products to market, while establishing the foundation for a digital thread that extends continuous product lifecycle data to downstream business functions. From digitizing physical prototypes to designing for manufacturability, PTC's software solutions help your business develop state-of-the-art products faster, so your brand can stay ahead of competition. On the production floor, digital technology optimizes processes, workflows, and equipment effectiveness to make your manufacturing operations more efficient. Our smart manufacturing technologies synthesize your data to identify bottlenecks and deliver real-time operational insights, while accurately guiding frontline employees with augmented work instructions and just-in-time training. From increasing quality and throughput to rapidly upskilling your workforce, PTC's digital transformation solutions leverage the most cutting-edge technologies to supercharge your operations. In the field, digital technology boosts customer satisfaction by improving aftermarket service outcomes and maximizing product uptime. Our service optimization technologies utilize usage and performance data to provide real-time visibility into the condition of products, so service technicians can predict when something might go wrong and proactively work toward a resolution before problems occur. From remotely monitoring and troubleshooting products to unlocking new product-as-a-service business models, PTC's digital solutions provide cost-effective ways to optimize your service operations and deliver lifetime value to customers. Digital transformation is helping enterprise businesses lower their operational costs while facilitating innovation and collaboration across the value chain. PTC's technology-driven solutions are purpose-built to accelerate your digital transformation so your teams can boost productivity, stay ahead of disruption, and innovate faster together.